Welcome to the final lecture in the series Chemistry in the Age of AI, the Future of Drug Discovery and Design. I'm Shifana Sinu, and over the past lectures, we have explored the transformative potential of AI in drug discovery, from its role in molecular dynamics and computational chemistry to its impact on designing metal based drugs and optimizing coordination complexes. Today, we are going to bring all these threads together and focus on the topic that is not just changing the way we design drugs but also how we approach patient care, personalized medicine. Personalized medicine is a term you have likely heard before, but what does it really mean in the context of drug discovery? And how does the intersection of AI and coordination chemistry pave the way for this new frontier in healthcare? To answer that, we need to revisit the core concept behind personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to the individual characteristics of each patient. This means taking into account not only the disease a person has, but also their genetic makeups, lifestyle, environment, and how they respond to specific therapies. For a long time, medicine has operated under a one size fits all model where drugs were developed based on population averages. This approach has worked well for some diseases, but has often led to variable results when it comes to things like drug efficacy, side effects, and long term outcomes. Personalized medicine, on the other hand, is about customizing treatments based on the individual's unique biology, which can dramatically improve efficacy and reduce side effects. Here is where the convergence of AI and coordination chemistry is particularly exciting. Coordination chemistry, the study of metal ions and their ability to form complexes with the other molecules, has already proven itself essential in the development of a wide range of therapeutic agents, particularly in areas like cancer treatment, infection control, and neurodegenerative diseases. By understanding the behavior of metal complexes and their interactions with biological targets, researchers can design more effective, selective, and targeted drugs. But coordinating the right molecule with the right metal in the right way is no small task. It requires a deep understanding of not just the chemical property of the compound, but also the biological context in which they will be acting. This is where AI comes in, offering a powerful tool to optimize and personalize drug design in ways that were previously unimaginable. AI's role in personalized medicine starts with its ability to handle vast amounts of data. We know that each patient is unique, and factors like genetics, metabolic pathways, and immune responses can all influence how a drug behaves in the body. AI systems, especially those driven by machine learning and deep learning, are able to analyze data from multiple sources: genetic information, clinical trials, patient histories, and even environment factors to predict how an individual will respond to a particular drug. This means we can design drugs that are not only more effective but also safer for each person. In the realm of coordination chemistry, AI can help us design metal based drugs that are more tailored to the molecular profile of individual patients. For instance, AI can predict how specific metal complexes will interact with the proteins that are mutated or expressed differently in certain populations. It can identify specific targets that may be unique to an individual's disease state, allowing for the development of drugs that hit these targets with a higher precision. AI is also transforming the process of drug optimization. Once we have identified a potential drug candidate, AI can help us modify the structure of the molecule to improve its bioavailability, stability, and binding affinity to the target, all while minimizing toxicity. In personalized medicine, this process is crucial because we want to create drugs that are not just effective in general sense but are tailored to the specific needs of the patient. For example, AI can help optimize metal-based coordination complexes to better interact with a patient's unique cellular environment, improving therapeutic outcomes. One of the key challenges in personalized medicine is ensuring that we design drugs that are safer for each individual. This is where AI-powered predictive models comes in handy. These models can analyze clinical trial data alongside patient-specific information to predict how likely a drug is to cause adverse reactions in certain populations. With AI, we can anticipate potential drug effects and adjust drug formulation accordingly, making the treatment process safer and more effective for individuals. In addition, AI algorithm can shift through patient data to predict the progression of diseases and recommend treatment tailored to patients' evolving condition. In the case of cancer, for example, AI could analyze genetic mutations in a tumor to design a coordination complex that specifically targets those mutations. Similarly, in infectious diseases, AI could help design metal-based drugs that target bacterial or viral enzyme unique to the individual strain, offering a more personalized approach to treatment. But it is not just about designing drugs. The diagnosis and monitoring of diseases in real time are also part of personalized medicine. AI can help create smart systems that track patient responses to treatment and just therapies are as needed. The dynamic feedback loop between AI, coordination, chemistry, and patient monitoring can lead to continuous improvement in how drugs are administered and adjusted for each individual. As we move forward, AI is going to continue driving the development of personalized therapies that are highly targeted, efficient, and safe. The combination of AI and coordination chemistry represents a profound shift in how we think about drug design and patient care, offering the potential for precision medicine that is truly tailored to the individual. In conclusion, the convergence of AI and coordination chemistry marks a new frontier in personalized medicine. By leveraging AI to optimize metal-based coordination complexes and other therapeutic agents, we are entering a new era where drugs are not just developed for population but for individuals. This will lead to better therapeutic outcomes, fewer side effects, and a more holistic approach to healthcare. Thank you for joining me throughout this journey of exploring the future of drug discovery and design. I hope this series has provided you with a deeper understanding of how AI is reshaping the landscape of pharmaceutical development and personalized healthcare. The future is exciting, and we are just scratching the surface of what is possible in this new era of AI driven precision drug design. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.